All right, so coming up the second floor of the Belvedere or the tower, and come up to this little landing here, and then that room up there is the third floor of the Belvedere. So this is where we're going to be working next. We're going to work today on getting this cleaned out, get the chandelier off the ceiling, and get everything cleaned up. And we're going to lay some plywood down on the floor in here to protect it from any debris. It's in pretty bad shape anyways, but we don't want to do any more damage to it than has already been done. Then we have to restore the windows, and then these two little cubby holes, they need doors made for them, so we'll be making the new doors for that. And I gotta take the chandelier down and then fix the ceiling and fix the medallion, put it back up, and then we are going to mount this giant crown molding around the top of this. So it's going to take us a while for sure. There's a lot of work to do up here, and it's on the third floor, which makes it even more difficult as far as getting the tools up here and climbing up and down steps every time you need something. So, but yep, I hope you guys enjoy how we're going to transform this room and make it back into a clean, nice, I don't know, hangout or living space, whatever we wind up doing with it. So, all right, peace out. So I thought I was going to be smart with everybody. Well, we had our tours over the weekend and put Elf in the door so everybody'd be freaked out. And I just got myself. That's silly. I jumped. Wiping your nose on me? Really?
What's itching?
Bro.
It's itching.
That's why God gave you two fingers. One on each, so you can you reach in there and itch your nose.
The tip, like right here, was itchy, and now you made me touch my nose. It was an installation. I'm done.
Well, folks, let's just get started here. Our plan today was work on the renovations in the tower, which need done desperately. But so I started cleaning out. I took the ductwork or the vents off the floor and noticed that there was a big space underneath the floor, and that the ducts that give this room heating and cooling were rotted out. So that led us to some further investigating, which led us into the attic. So we decided to go ahead and change course, and we're going to go ahead and gut the attic, take all the drywall and all the insulation out of it, and all the wiring that needs done. We're going to tear it all out and basically start over with a clean slate, because animals had gotten into the attic up there and basically shredded all the insulation. So we knew about some of it before, but we decided, you know what, before we make any of these cosmetic repairs, we better take care of the nuts and bolts and just do the right thing. So, but I don't think I can flip my camera around while I'm talking, so I'll get a second video. What we decided to do is we're cutting a hole through this part of the stairway to make a door and access, so we can take out all the garbage straight down the stairway and out the second floor window. So we're gonna take care of that. We've got some old wiring issues in here. You used some sketchy ground wire, and this lamp cord is in the wall and it's live. So we're going to methodically go through everything and make sure that it is up to snuff and up to code before we
Have a fire.
have a fire. So, but yeah, we just got to take our time and do it right. So that's why we decided to go this route. And then we've got a lot of cleaning up. We got Christmas stuff in here. We've got some old ductwork in here that needs taken care of. Some piles of insulation, old animal poop, furnace parts. So this is on par for, I don't know, one of the larger jobs that I've ever done. So it's a pretty big space up here. And then you got some mattresses in there to take out. Plus there's a jacuzzi tub, a toilet, and a hot water heater that's plugged. So I'll try to go in here. Yeah, ouch. So ruh-roh raggy. So lots of stuff. I mean, we knew that this was going to be something that needed attention, but we were just kind of putting it off a little bit to try to get some other things done. And like this stuff we found, this is a lamp cord that was straight wired into a junction box. So yeah, that's not good. Yeah, we'll scrap that. Every cent counts, right? Every penny counts.
Start of a cheeseburger.
Start of a cheeseburger. With or without lettuce?
I think that was without.
Oh.
You'd have to ask my dad about that one.
All right.
But I'm pretty sure it was just a cheeseburger.
Just the burger,
Just the burger.
the cheese.
That's it.
No ketchup
No
even?
ketchup.
Oh man, times is hard. So, but that doorway that we're doing is going to go right through here, and then all our junk can go straight outside. And we got a straight chute to load up the trailer and dump everything. So, well, that's it for now, guys. I'm sure everybody will have comments and questions and everything.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. That's all.
That's all, folks.